Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and ship your Shopify orders using Royal Mail. If you're based in the UK, Royal Mail is a great choice for reliable and affordable shipping. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify account. And to do so, just go to your web browser and go to shopify.com. After the website appears, click on Login. If you haven't already logged in, just enter your account credentials or create an account. Now, make sure Royal Mail is added as a shipping carrier in your Shopify store. And to do this, go to your Shopify admin and click on Settings in the bottom left corner here next to the gear icon. After the Settings menu appear, select Shipping and Delivery and choose Manage next to the relevant shipping zone here, or click on this. Now click Add Rate. After clicking Add Rate, choose Use Carrier or App to calculate rates in the rate type. Now there are no carrier or apps available for this zone, but if you live in the UK, it will be available. Once you select it, click Done and click on Save. Now, once you receive an order, go to Orders in your Shopify admin to start processing. Go here and go to Orders. Click on Orders in the left-hand sidebar and click on Create Shipping Label and select Royal Mail as your carrier. As you can see, I haven't already chose a plan in this account, but if you chose a plan in your account, you'll be able to select Royal Mail as your carrier. After that, enter the package details including dimensions and weight to get an accurate rate. Next, purchase the shipping label. Once you've entered the package details, Shopify will calculate the costs. Confirm the details, then click Buy Label. After purchasing, you'll be able to print the shipping label directly. After that, attach the label to your package, making sure it's clearly visible for Royal Mail. You can either drop off the package at the Royal Mail location or, if available, schedule a pickup through Royal Mail's website. This adds flexibility for your shipping needs. And that's it. You're all set to ship with Royal Mail on Shopify. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.